health alert tonight as cases of dengue fever are on the rise locally and across the country. The CDC issued the alert after a record-setting number of cases have been reported with a high concentration in Puerto Rico. Right now, there are 13 cases in Palm Beach County. All of them are travel-related. There are no cases currently on the Treasure Coast. Symptoms include a fever, rash, and body aches, but those can become severe. That's even why dengue is nicknamed bone break fever because of the pain it can cause. Doctors say while this is a bigger concern for travelers right now, it is something to be aware of.
And while there are no cases reported at the moment on the Treasure Coast, Mosquito Control does say it is keeping close watch right now on what's happening to the south. Our John Shaman continues our coverage tonight, showing us what's being done to keep communities safe.
With the news of more than a dozen cases of dengue fever in Palm Beach County, the team at Mosquito Control in Martin County has a plan.
We would monitor that area closer to that county line a little bit more.
But since it's summer, Baudelaire says in many ways it's business as usual when it comes to treating for mosquitoes.
We do monitor with our partners, the Department of Health. They notify us if there are cases of any kind of mosquito-borne illnesses.
As of Wednesday, no reports of dengue fever anywhere on the Treasure Coast, including Martin County, a place that has seen its share of mosquito-borne disease over the years. Back in 2013, there were 18 reported cases of dengue fever in Martin County, concentrated mostly here in the Rio and Jensen Beach areas. So when there are any reports of dengue cases in South Florida, Mosquito Control on the Treasure Coast takes notice.
We just went into summer. It's the nature of the beast.
At St. Lucie County Mosquito Control, they've yet to see an influx of the Aedes aegypti, the type most responsible for dengue fever, and just one of 90 types of mosquitoes here in Florida.
We have a robust surveillance system here in St. Lucie County that allows us to detect where those particular mosquitoes are.
The county deploying for the first time these traps specifically designed for Aedes aegypti.
It's a battery-powered trap that creates a downdraft and a pulling effect.
The recommendations from Mosquito Control to you is to wear repellent that has DEET. That's approved by the Environmental Protection Agency, and empty any standing water around your home.
Even like something as small as a bottle cap can hold mosquito breeding.
So don't let mosquitoes become your unwanted guests. John Shaman, WPTV, News Channel 5.